Get ready for a wild adventure as we explore the incredible Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. Our journey even led us to the breathtaking Patangala beach, where the wild meets the ocean, a perfect spot to relax and soak in the beauty. But there's more to Yala than the stunning views. Discover the park's history, from the impact of the civil war to the resilience after the tsunami. Be sure to check out our extended video for the full adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Travel with Cubs, for more exciting journeys around the world.